Hi, everyone, welcome to ViWizard's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to convert Apple Music to MP3 audio files. By the end of this video, you'll be able to listen to the Apple Music without the app, and transfer the MP3 files to any other device you like. Before you start, make sure you install ViWizard Streaming Audio Recorder on your computer. It supports downloading music from 10 streaming platforms, including Apple Music. Once installed, launch the program. First, go to Preferences to set the output format, quality, and output folder. Then, enter the built-in Apple Music web player. Log into your account and find any music you want to download. Click the plus button. Select all tracks or just the ones you want. Now, click Convert. When the process is complete, you can preview the tracks directly in the program. You can also open the output folder to access the MP3 files and play them with any media player. If audio quality matters to you, check the file properties to confirm the bitrate matches your settings. That's it for this video. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.